This is part 7 of what's inside the roadmap course. By the way, if this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Rico. I'm a digital marketer earning a living with this side hustle. The main reason for my success is because I use AI to do most of it, and this is especially good topic for this course because it talks about automation. So module 6, with 6 videos themselves, is Introduction to Business Automation. And the courses are Introduction to Automation, What is a Funnel, Choosing your system, streamlining operations, implementing systems, and automation best practices. Again, so the automation part is where you get other programs to help you with your digital marketing. Either that's generating customer lists or content, or syndicating content from here to there and everywhere. So it's a lot of cool stuff, and like email follow-ups, man. There's a ton of stuff. So this module for me was very eye-opening because it's what I'm into. I really like leveraging the power of AI, which, by the way, grew exponentially compared to last year. 2023, when AI was just dropped, everyone's like, oh, cool, hey, it can do all these kinds of things. You have no idea what it can do today. So anyways, stay tuned for part 8. This is really exciting stuff. My name is Rico. Thanks for watching this video.